the right one. And it's not all about the sex. I haven't, like, since I'm here, the only thing I've only had was a sexual connection. I haven't had like a Jesus Christ, I haven't had like a connection. What kind of what should I say? Run from them. No man, them nice. I haven't find an emotional connection. The connection that I find since I'm here was only sexual connection. I didn't find no emotional connection as yet. Emotional. And if I find that, I will stick to that one person. And when I come back, that would be the only person that I'm stick with. But so far I haven't find I only find sexual thing, no emotional. So I need to find that. Yo, foreign is very depressing. Tell them no. Foreign is only work, go, work, go. I don't understand. Look, if I find somebody that give me that emotional thing, honestly, I will keep them. And I will, when I come back, they will be the person I talk to. I go back, I be with, we have good conversations. You know what I'm saying? But so far, it's only sexual attachments. I mean, I want that alone. You want somebody who make you and say, babes, I'm going Kingston, I'll be back, okay? Stop here. Hey, guys, am I wrong? Tell me if I'm wrong. The ones that I meet so far, when them come in at the house, I always check them back before them go. Me wrong? That's a bad thing? I feel bad when I do it. Me don't know if it wrong, but me do it. But me don't know, yeah, man. Chow. When them leave him, I say, no. Me don't know. After me feel bad, Him say, listen, I'm not saying you stay, but me have to check your bag. I don't know if it's because what I've been through in the past on vacations where friends come and they steal and I only miss it when they left. I don't know. No. No. Guys, I don't pick up any and anything, Guys, me fresh, Let me tell you guys something about me. I'm a very, very fresh person. When I say fresh, meaning, me not take up any and anything. I'm telling you. You're not wrong. You don't know them. That's why you can't find anyone. That's not right. Okay, you said that's not right. Let me tell you something. I've been in a situation where I've had friends and also lovers come over and they steal my stuff. And you remember say, I won't know I miss it until they leave. And once they leave down home, I will get it back. Answer me. How is it insulting? These are people that I talk to in Toronto and get to know them before I came here. So these are not really random people we just meet on the road. No. If you understand what I mean. These are not people I randomly meet on the street. No. These are people that, like for example, if I'm going to Trinidad and I know I'm going to go to Trinidad in the next 2-3 months, I will start to talk to people online. How are you doing every day? How are you doing? We do a little video call. How are you? Blah, 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 blah. And once I come here now, I meet up with whoever. And doesn't mean I meet up with you, I have to have sex. And if I meet up with you and I vibe with you, then I vibe with you. If I don't vibe with you, then I don't want to see you again. You know what I mean? So I do have like at least 10, 15 people I talk to. When I come, I see you, we don't have to have sex. But once I vibe with you, and I'll be like, yeah, you're the one I want to keep you. So I'm opening it's like dating. Does that make sense? So I don't just come here and just meet somebody randomly and say, come over. No, I don't do that. No, I don't do that. So, so you have a what relationship with them? Good. Yeah, man, we talk while I was in Toronto. Hello, how are you? Couple of people, because you still have to open your options. You still have to open. You can't just talk to one person, right? Because you might come and that one person and you do not, and then you have to go all over. So it's good to open your options. Me not trust nobody. Better them vex than you. and be mindful about them because you don't want anyone setting you up. Of course. Of course, me, I'll check them phone. Make sure they not take no picture naked when me asleep. You think me crazy? I'll check them phone because I don't say nothing. But when I leave and say, can I see your phone? Me go through the pictures. Because when you sleep, I don't know if you're going to take pictures of me in my bed naked. Me say, let me see your library. In your phone. Me go in your photos and me check the phone. You think me idiot? But they don't. Why make them keep them bags close? You think me idiot? Next thing me go sleep. No, I do that because you can't trust nobody. Next thing you asleep and they take picture. Because if I sleep naked. And that's it. I don't sleep in clothes. I don't like to sleep in. So next thing me asleep and you say, and next thing you go put it over the media. No. What if they took it, send it off? But I'm smart. They never expect I'm gonna do that. So now I'm saying that. Now that I say that out, I shouldn't even say it out. It's gonna be a different thing. You bring a phone, give me a phone. When we're sleeping, give me a phone. No, I swear to God. Because I don't think they would expect me to ask. So I'd be like, can you go in your phone gallery, your photo gallery? And then I will see the photo gallery. Some of them take pictures, but not with me. And if you see, I didn't, so far I see no pictures. But now that me say it, you never know, somebody might be on here, might meet later on in life. So now that me say it, when them come, sleep time, you have to give me a phone. Me not joke. Me not joke with the media thing. Yeah. People realize, say, when you have clout on the media, they will do anything just to bring you down later on. Me not do that. You're mad. You're mad. Me not stupid enough. How am I doing too much? Liz, please, can somebody explain to Liz, please, that if me bring somebody over here, how much people like to see a naked picture, they could put out a naked picture of me and that's gonna be embarrassing. What if me have bump on me body? What if me have a bump on me wood? What if me have a bump on me arm? Come on now. What if me would smile? Eh? If me would smile and they go put it out, they show me would smile. What if me balls big and me would, what if me have Kobo? What do you think name the big Boston? What if me have that? Think about it. You remember saying, no, my body is not perfect. And all of us in this world, nobody body perfect. No, I can't. You say I need to tell them before I meet them. Remember, when you tell people that before you meet them, you're putting them on the guard now. Because now what you're doing, you're making them be more careful. So when they go sleep now, they could take a picture and send it off to their friend and delete it. So you have to put it in a way you can't say nothing to them. So they don't expect you gonna search their phone. That's the thing. You remember, you're doing something unexpected that they're not expecting. Right? Guys, me smart enough, but now me say it in the ear, and there's 269 people on here, and they never know who I watch. I'm gonna do it differently. When you bring your phone stays with me, and I'm not joking. You can't. Me go say before you come, I go say, look, listen, your phone have to stay with me when I bedtime, and if you don't want that, you can't come over. You wouldn't want to be with me after then that's fine. There's many fishes in the sea, there's many birds in the sky. Some fly high, some fly low. The ones that fly low, I'll try to catch them. The ones that go too high, I'll try to catch them. But if I can't catch you, you gotta go. But some birds gotta be low. So you're not the only person in the world, honey. Well, listen, there are apps that you can lock down pictures under. It do not let anyone stay by you. You don't understand what I'm saying. You don't understand what I'm saying. Some of them, they don't, there's people who will not expect you to search their phone. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. You wouldn't expect them to do that. They're not expecting you to search their phone. Those are your house policy. You tell them before, so up to them if they want to come or not. Definitely. That's what I'm going to do from now. Can me already talk it out already. No one should take a grown adult phone. That's way too much. And you know what's the difference of being in the public? Do you know what's the difference of having somebody over by you and you? How much girls expose man pictures out there? Let's be real. How much girls expose man picture out there? Tell me. It's it's not about being paranoid. Guys, wait. The people that must say these things and they uno right here. What happened to the girls in Canada? So you never go on vacation and have sex with people overseas? Answer me. You never go on vacation and find somebody. You don't have a family member who married somebody overseas. Okay. I guess you don't. I guess you don't.